All right, welcome traders. A very quick market breakdown. This is GBPJPY, all right, and this is a market breakdown for this new week. So I need you to understand that the market currently is bearish. This is the current market, right? And overall, we've been consolidating around this region. All right, price have been consolidating around this region, around that region, right? And this is the daily time frame. So price just broke below this, and you can see how do you spot a consolidating market, right? There's a way you can get a consolidation market by the moving average, right? Once you have your moving average pierces between the candlesticks, that tells you that this is a consolidating market. So in this type of market, there's a strategy to trade it, right? And this is something I discussed in the inner circle. But right now, let's trade the current phase of the market, which is this particular market. So now the market is currently bearish. And where do you think market is coming to? If you look at it properly, this is on daily time frame. So every indication is that market is coming here, price is coming towards its support, right? And you want to be very careful as to how you enter and as to how you exit, right? Now, price just broke below this zone. They've not been the retest. So before you go in this trade to sell, you need to wait for a pullback, right? Back into this zone before you can now sell, right? And once price get here you want to take out your profit. And if you are a swing trader, you may close some positions and allow price to flow down here, should in case the bears are strong enough to push price downward. So this is what I'm still looking at, that price may eventually get here. All right, but for the quick day trader or scalper, you can take this move. But the first thing you want to do is to wait for that pullback. Now let's go into the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? You can see what we have here. There's a very bearish movement in the market. So right now price broke below this support, right? You can see. So they've not been a retest yet. So we're going to be waiting for that retest to occur. Right now, while I'm currently filming this video, is on Sunday night, right? The 23rd of February. So probably by the time it is released, the markets would have been retested already. But let's come to the 1-hour time frame. Now you can see on the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? You now have price already, trying to retest. So at this junction, what do you want to do? You want to see if you can use your fib level to measure that point where price can retest to. So my fib level from here, swing high to swing low, you can see now this is the level of Fibonacci level where price will likely retrace to, which is the 0.8 and 0.50 fib level. You can see this is a very strong zone. So what I would do is I will wait for price to come on here inside this box, then that's where I'm going to be shorting. So right now here is referred to as your POI, right? Your point of interest, where you want price to come before you go in, right? So I'll be coming to short here. All right, and that's a very good zone. Now you just be risking just a little fraction of your account. Let's say we're risking maximum of 40 pips. All right, 40 pips or 41. Then you target this level. That is about 1:5. All right, and don't forget that here you can see the price. We have a very strong support zone here, and this is a very strong demand zone, right? You can see the institutional candle, how price moved up like this. So what you want to do, you want to watch out for how price will react once price gets into this particular support, right? But this is a very good trade to take, which is 1:5.9, almost 1:6, 1.6 restore reward. But right now, let me see. I like to trade the pullback. Now, if this pullback is worth taking, you want to take it. But what I do is that I like to measure it first, because this is how you filter your trade, right? just wait for quality setup. Now this is over 100 pips, so I wouldn't want that to waste. And this is GJ, so I'll come to 15-minute time frame to see if I can take the advantage of that quick sell, of the quick buy rather. I will buy into this box, right? Then I'll sell. Did you see that? So this is what you want to be doing in the market. If you know the direction of the market, you can take quick advantage of it. And if you look at this right now, this is a very small short inverse head and shoulder. You can see inverse head, and this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. You can see probably let's come to 5 minutes if you can see properly. So right now what you want to do is, you can see, so this is the inverse head and shoulder here, already formed on the 5-minute time frame. This is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now we have the breakout already. So how do you go in here? Like I said, your entry is important. Wait for the retest of the neckline. Did you see that? This is the neckline. Now the retest is about to occur. You can see we have a little bit of retest here. So now the market is not yet open. So what you want to do, you want to wait for a confirmation here before you go in for that short buy. And what is the confirmation? Number one, I will just tell you, is to wait for a bullish engulfing candle. Once I am able to spot that, then I will just come in here, risk over 20 pips. Then I'll target this box, right? Then I'll be getting over 1:5. Did you see that? Over 1:5 again. So if I can get 1:5 here, and I'm also getting 1:5 here. So once the market open, you have already make 1:10 risk to reward. And with that alone, I think you would have even passed your profit account or grow your small account to something more significant. You can see this is a very good setup, right? And you can also scale in this position, because I like to scale. Once you see price break above this zone, this is the breaker other block here, right? You can see once price break above and retest it, you want to go in again for another buy. Boom. So on this setup alone, you can also, make over 1:7 or 8 risk to the reward, right? By entering multiple positions. So this is what I could see on GJ, which is GBPJPY. Now let's look at gold. I currently have a position on gold. I've been holding gold since on Friday, although I took out some positions, right? Now if you look at it right now, gold has been an all-time high. All right, but what I do is that I like to take advantage of the pullback. I don't like to sell gold. So once I see gold pullback, then I like to wait for buys, and this has helped me a lot. So I took advantage of this buy here. So I waited, price came down a little bit. Then here, this is my daily zone. You can see I took another buy to this level. So now price came here. So I saw that price wasn't able to break below this resistance, this support rather. So here, this is where I now enter for another buy. Did you see that? And this is where we opting out from, right? And right now I have some position running on this. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So no too much analysis on this. I don't want this video to be so long. Now you can see what we have here. All right, so it was quite funny how price was moving on Friday, but I was able to hold because my stop loss was sitting pretty at a very good key level. You can see price tried to take me out, but got into me like a drawdown, then push back up, right? So once I discovered price gave me a breakout and retest, and I entered more here, of which I was able to opt out from here, right? So and now I still have a position running here. This is while I'm still filming. So I hope that the market open on Monday morning and either open up, even it's going to open with a gap. I believe it shouldn't be that so huge that it's going to swallow my stop loss. So overall, gold is still on a bullish trend for you if you want to go in on the gold. So wait for the market to open, and once the market open, you can either go in here, the price come back again to retest here, then go in, or price come back to this particular level of support right after the breakout and retest, then go in for a quick buy, right? So this is where we're going to stop on gold and GBPJPY. I would have also liked to show you the setup I have on GBP and Euro USD, but I'll be doing that with my inner circle community. And the community is quite open for you. If you want to be part of it, you want to learn how to trade, right? We'll be there to teach you how to analyze the market like a professional, and also give you my strategy on how I've been able to pass profit back to back on a monthly basis, right? So if you gain value in this video, make sure you're following and make sure you like it. Subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. I see you in the next coming video. Thank you.